What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. I'm in Animal Company. As you can see here, there's our only app. I got some friends and my brother. We're gonna beat it, speedrun, watch, enjoy. So you know what's coming. Make sure to subscribe and like. It helps me a lot, and I want to post more. So let's hop in a call with them, and I'll see you there. Let's go! Guys, where are you? There you are.
Oh my god.
Okay,
let's
let's start the only app. So he has had the VR the most.
Oh no.
I have.
Yeah, I have had it in VR for almost 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah, almost. Next year is 5
The
years.
gorilla tag skills comes in handy here.
Yeah.
Did you fall?
Oh, we.
No.
So he's the newbie?
And he's over here. Oh, we're on the second level.
The last level is the laser. We have already beaten this one time, each of us. You get 3 research points and 100 company coins, and cosmetics I think will be rare. You got the cosmetic.
Yeah, but not the 100 company points.
You did, but you didn't see it.
Okay.
So this level is kind of easy. And in the background, we got the most fire music known to man.
Oh, I thought you fell.
They don't know me, son.
Make sure to do this.
This part I hate. No. Oh my god, I saved myself. Every time.
No.
Yeah.
Bro, me and my brother beat this like yesterday. The same happens every single time.
And we're up.
We made
1 minute.
30 seconds. 1 minute.
Okay, I know the way. I'm just going this way.
It doesn't matter which way you go though. So, here's Spike. Hello. No. Easy. So, here's the newbie. He almost died.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
are you blind?
No.
Okay. This part
This
is
level
easy.
I hate the most. I bet I hated the most.
No!
Did bro fall?
No.
Oh my god.
Almost. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh no,
I-
not this level. Oh dang. I made it.
I made it. I think he died.
I'm just. Did you die?
Did you die?
Where's your
Bro,
body?
watch out, the spike.
Yeah, I see it.
Down there. Down there.
Bro, where is he? I almost died, so I'm not
He's
gonna
down
risk.
there.
Oh, he died there, I think.
No, I can't save you. I can't. I'm sorry.
Where are you?
I gotta watch out.
He's in the lava.
Well, respawn.
Something's gonna take
we
you.
We can have time lapse. We can have time lapse. Respawn. Time lapse. Okay, there. Time lapse time. Yes, finally.
Let's go.
Go, let's
Let's go.
go. I love this.
Yeah.
this is chill. This is very chill.
Wait for me.
Oh no. No. I'm just gonna do the slow way. Huh?
They call me slow? Look who's slow.
You sure about that? Look behind.
Oh, they right behind me.
No, I fell.
Yeah. My brother fell. So this is the 4th level, I think. There's like gaming, and then there's such stairs, and then there's the last level, and then there's a little parkour thingy. It's not massive, but the last part is very easy though. Not the why am I yapping? Not the laser thing. That's not easy. Well, I have died a couple times. So let's just wait for the other. This is a really bad time, but take off 3 minutes, and then it's 7 minutes. Still a very bad time.
Where's the other guy?
Yeah, he's slow. So this
Oh, I see you. I can see him.
this guy eats pizza VR. Shout out to him. And the other guy is Pepsi VR. Shout out to him too.
Hey.
And shout out to myself, Mr. Goofy. Okay, now we're on this level where we just go up. I think the newbie was begging me to wait for him. I'ma do this.
I'm gonna go this way.
I do this the most. I like this one better. There, and I'm up. This is like the stairs level.
I'm up.
Where's Bebsy?
I'm on.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm on. I'm right here.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, there you are.
This part is easy.
Yeah, I love the stairs.
Yeah, first time we did it together, me and Bebsy, when we completed it, he just showed me like a speedrun. He didn't do nothing right. So you go over here, and boom, you're up. Just like that.
I think it's lasers now. Yeah, it's lasers.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. We are.
This laser, I find
Oh
it
my
kind of
God.
easy.
I think it's kind of hard.
Everybody say this is hard, but I think it's easy. But I always forget there's lava. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
We wait. I'ma wait. Wait for me. I'ma wait till the laser comes.
We need to wait for the music.
Yeah, I'm just going in there.
Wait here. We need to wait.
So this is
Okay.
like the scary part.
I did it.
Yes, I did it. No.
No, come on.
Yes.
Jump.
Guys. Speedrun.
Come on.
We're almost up.
No.
minutes. Because this guy.
I did 8
What do you mean 8?
minutes.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it started again on you.
Yeah.
So yeah. But
That's
thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe
please like.
so you can help us more. And so I'll see you in the next video. Peace!